Welcome back to 50 Car, in a world where tradition meets a daring future. The 2025 Tesla truck roars onto the scene with an audacious blend of power and sustainability that captivates both car enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. Its main features radiate a forward-thinking identity, combining an all-electric powertrain with robust utility and cutting-edge technology, making it a symbol of modern progress and rugged adventure. The exterior design unfolds like a masterful sculpture. A minimalist front fascia replaces the traditional grille with a smooth, integrated light strip, while sleek LED headlamps and sharply contoured fenders exude futuristic strength. Refined body lines merge with an aerodynamic silhouette, offering pros in style and efficiency, though its bold angles may draw mixed reactions in conservative markets. Inside, the cabin and dashboard reveal a sanctuary of innovation and comfort. A towering central touchscreen controls everything from navigation to climate, while a digital instrument cluster provides crisp, real-time data. Premium materials and ergonomically crafted seating ensure long-haul comfort, yet some may find the sparse use of physical buttons a departure from tactile tradition. Performance is nothing short of electrifying, as the Tesla truck accelerates with instantaneous torque and impressive speed capabilities that redefine utility vehicles. Its all-electric motors deliver smooth, linear power and agile handling even on challenging terrains. However, potential drawbacks include high replacement costs for cutting-edge battery modules and warranty limitations that warrant a careful look before commitment. Market positioning places the Tesla truck in a competitive bracket with a price tag aimed at tech-savvy buyers aged 30 to 60, positioning it against rivals like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning. Its overall driving experience combines a serene, whisper-quiet cabin with an adrenaline-inducing burst of power, appealing to those who demand both performance and environmental responsibility. Additional features include customizable accessory packages, an extended warranty plan for critical electric components, and innovative options such as solar panel integration and advanced autopilot capabilities. These offerings, while impressive, require a thoughtful investment to fully realize their potential.